That was a good battle. Tracer. Yeah, that was too. Yep. Artillion! What was that? Artillion! I told you, kid. In the third round, actually the third battle, I will always win with Darkest Evolution. With Titan Evolution. So, we could do it the easy way or the hard way. The easy way is give me your Bakugan for me to keep a treasure as a trophy. Or do the hard way for me to pound you to the ground and steal it. Hey, you can't steal a kid, take someone's Bakugan. You know what? To teach you a lesson, Droma! Who are you? My name's, I'll tell you after this battle scene. Alright. I guess I'll go over here. To teach you a lesson, here's all the action cards hidden. Ready? Bakugan Brawl! Bakugan Brawl! Let's go, Drago! Fly! Alright. I'm managing right now. Alright. Let's show Pyros in Inferno! Alright! Darkest of Illusion. Huh? I cannot see. What? You burnt through? That's what it does. So, end it. Dodge it. Hardcore. Darkest Illusion again. Drago! Drago! Second battle. I even get to use an action card. Bakugan Brawl! Bakugan Brawl! Alright, time to get an action card. Same here. Action card! Activate! Legendary Knight! It increases Hardcore's attack power, B power, and HP by 2 million. Oh, he's more powerful than Drago. Alright. Here's go! Roar of the Earthbound. This allows Drago to do any roar from any type of it. And that when he roars, it increases his HP by 2 million. Now, Pyros roar! Roar! And it takes as well as 2 million. Yeah. No way. This can't be. Let's show. Alright, Drago. Got another one. And he's vulnerable. So, Dimensional Barrier. It puts a barrier between us. Meaning that it puts Hardcore into another dimension. Not even the Doom dimension. Okay. No! Where am I? And see. Hardcore. Bakugan, brawl, brawl. Action card, go! Go, Kui! The Great Ogre increases the attack power of Dragon Go by 2,000 actually. Yeah! Now, let's show him Pyro's illusion! Yeah! What the? The ground is shaking! This can't be! This is Pyro's illusion! This kid, know what? I'll get stronger, and you guys will pay for it. You will pay for it. It's Charmin. Charmin. How'd you already know my name? I knew it because of someone told me. Well, forget my Bakugan. Wow, Drago, we did it. Exactly. Who? So, what's your name? Oh, my name is Pingshu. My Bakugan is Artillery. Yeah, we kind of figured it was Artillery. But it's Heios Artillery. Wait, how did you know it was Heios Artillery? Hey guys. Yeah, he was the 4th Bakugan to color with us. Yeah. How's it been, Artillery? Very well. So, who was that? His name was Alfin. Wait, Alfin? Why does that remind me of Bakugan New Destroyer's Alfin Bakugan? Oh. His birth parents call him Alfin, but for sure I call him Al. Apparently, his Bakugan is Darkest Hardcore, and his hardcore is at his final evolution, Titan. Wait, there's an evolution to Bakugans? Yeah, there's different types of evolutions. One evolution being Hyper, Maximus, and Titan. Titan is the most legendary, and when I say most legendary, it's super rare and legendary evolution. Maximus is most likely rare, and Hyper is common. If you could max up your friend power with the Bakugans, with Bakugan, meaning, for example, if you, Charmander, and Dragonoid have boosted up your friend power by at least all the way up to 2, you unlock Pyro's evolution. Same with you, Creeper. And right now, I'm already at my Hyper evolution. I didn't want. But we lost because Titan evolution is more powerful than all 2 of the evolutions that I mentioned. Yeah. And plus, there's a Bakugan team battle coming up. So, I was meaning to ask you guys, do you guys want to join my team? Yeah, of course. We have our own team too. It's called the Awesome Ones. We recruited him, so we can recruit you. Thanks, guys. Alright. Come on, Nillies, Fake Ninja, Trox, Artillion. Alright, Draco. We're gonna start our team battle adventure.